Hey YouTubers, so I'm back with a video today about a quick, easy 1, 2, 3 hairstyle for you guys. I was on YouTube and Pinterest just like researching easy, quick hairdos to do with braiding hair, and I came across something called space buns, and I was like, I could get down with this. This is my type of steez, you know, so I'm gonna try it out. I went to the hair store and got like 2 packs of hair, blue, purple, obviously, and some of the little glitz string, that's what I call it. It's like the little shiny string that you could get for your braids, twists, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I decided to do like just a really quick, easy tutorial for you guys. I'm the type of person that likes to do something like super easy. I want it to be quick and I want it to be cute. Yeah, so I decided to do this quick little tutorial for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. It's really easy. So in the back I did braid my hair. I did not record that part because it would have been a disaster. If you do create this look from this video, tag me in it. I want to see y'all pictures and videos, stuff like that. Let me see what you're working with, girl. Okay. Perfect.